Hey champs, what's happening? My name is Jai and I've been living and traveling around the world for the last 10 years and I want to keep doing this, so I decided 4 months ago I'm gonna do 3 uploads a week about my journey and also about some crazy silly stuff. I would love to carry on doing this, but I need you to subscribe to the channel. I want to introduce you to Guy. He's from G Motors and he's working on supercars. His garage is in the suburbs of Bangkok, so that's where I'm walking now. And I think we're pretty close. He's working on a 1955 Gullwing Mercedes.
สวัสดีครับต้อนรับสู่ G Motor Thailand นะครับ
There's a few projects going on outside. Got the Lamborghini and the Jaguar here in the showroom.
This is the tax invoice from the tax department, and over here have all the changing from the transportation office.
Ah, okay. So you got all the paperwork, everything. The car is still available for sale.
Yeah.
How much would it cost?
Around approximately 2 million. This one is a Cadillac V8.
V8 Cadillac.
Yeah. We can start.
Yes, please. Yeah. Wow. Unfortunately, we couldn't go for a spin ourselves. Luckily, Guy had already some footage, so we can see this beauty in action.
Our design is not like a replica or not look like other cars.
Ah, yeah. Cool.
This is the customer wants something special.
Yeah.
So the chassis, frame, everything is ready right now.
Suspension.
The wheel wood brakes, 6 spots in the front, 4 spots in the back, 14-inch disc brakes.
This is the back, but we entered from the front, and this is pretty epic. Like, Guy's got a whole team working on quite a few bodies right now.
This is the mold for this car.
Ah, okay.
This is the mold for the car that's in the back.
So you can actually, this is the mold, so you can make it again.
Yeah.
Ah, that's interesting. That's good to know. So how long, if I buy a car from you, how long is it gonna take?
4 to 6 months.
4 to 6 months. Okay.
He's the pilot in Bangkok Airways.
Ah, yeah.
But now he help us.
You're really low. It's a sports car, right? So he's making as safe as possible, basically, to put these big steel metal bars. How many hours do these guys work for you?
9 to 6.
9 to 6?
Yeah.
6 days, no? 6 days a week. This is kind of what you can expect. You get the better picture now with the wheel on there. But yeah, this is gonna be a masterpiece, mate. The basic price, the very start, is 1.5 million.
Yeah. All of this interior is gonna be in the gallery.
Oh yeah.
All the interior with the pedal seat, all the console
So
gonna be in the gallery.
Yeah. We are in the office. Here are the computers where they buy the cars for auction and also do 3D design.
หากทุกคนสนใจที่อยากจะมาติดต่อ G Motor Thailand นะครับสามารถติดต่อได้ที่ข้างล่างนี้นะครับตาม description ข้างล่างที่เขียนเอาไว้ G Motor Thailand นะครับผม
ขอบคุณครับ